Good morning and welcome back.
We're at Straw and Equine Stables. I'm not sure.
So we're scraping paddocks today. Adding a little bit of sand into some low spots for them. We're going to spread all this sand in this arena with our new Bobcat ct2025. So here we have our unscraped paddock. And the shelter they use mainly as a toilet. We're going to address this today and fill it full of sand. Hi, Mimmer. Look at the waste these ponies put down. We're all cleaned out. So we're going to start adding our first bucket of sand.
Paddock's not quite done, but it's getting there. This is just the second one of 4.
Well, we have plenty more work to do, so
We'll see you tomorrow.
bye.